all Chukuzi. So they can just see any cake.
Yes, sir.
One yama maybe you food.
Yes, sir.
One kama maybe you food.
Yes, sir.
You will go places with it. Her Royal Highness, Onyebuchibei Okonkwo, the Omo of Obior Kingdom.
Onyebuchibei Okonkwo, Omo of Obior. No. You're highly welcome. I am a miss here and so I know you because you wear that. Ne, Kowala Makobio.
Dalo.
Thank you.
I just read them. Ezechime has about 7 children. Obior is the first, and his name is Okpali.
Okpali,
Ezechime. So I don't know how they seniored each other, but I know Obior is the first. Olibo is there. Ezeuzo is there. Okala is there. Onyebuchibei is there. Azaba is there. And so many. Like that, I can't remember. A story has it. But I also Ezechime Reaffirmed Benin. Nata. All reside in Obior here.
as his first settlement.
The first settlement
After leaving
Benin. Was the first in Obior here. So he lived and died in Obior here.
Okay.
Had all his children here in Obior. So when Onye Tote Osikochoba Onotamwanya Osikochoba Eboy were established. So that was how they all left each other, leaving their father, their mother, and Okpali. So when the man died, he was buried in Obior here.
That the Ezechime
himself died in Obior here.
Okay.
Was buried in Obior here. And ever since Okpali remained in Obior. It was the white men, the Portuguese, who changed the name of Obior, Okpali, to Obior.
Okay.
Because they couldn't pronounce it. So they changed it. So Obior has been in existence all this while. If you go to the shrine today, the ancestral shrine of Ezechime is only in Obior you can find it. That tomb there is the tomb of Ezechime. Yes, Yeba. And it was said even before he died. So Nkwawa Abia as a law, that's something to to secure all of them together. There was according to the history, there was one Obanigbe. They had to come together. That was where they danced. That was where they held meeting, and they decided to say, "This is Anagba. This is Isele. This is Ezeuzo. This is this one. This is this one." But people now think that woman that they see that they molded there is Honor.
The wife.
Not yes.
The wife of
yes.
Ezechime. Honor.
Not Obior.
Not Obior.
Okay. Obior is right there.
Okay.
Okpali is there. If you check it, if I take you there, Okpali is there. Odigbo is there. Okala is there. Ezeuzo is there. Even Anaba is there. The chief priest is there. The way they molded them, it was a family. So saying that Obior is a woman is I don't know where that story came from.
Okay.
Because I was born and bred in this town, and then they raised me here. I heard the men talk. I met so many old people who told the story. Even the king still tells the story to today. But it's like you don't struggle what you think you have. The offer of Ezechime is still in Obior today.
Wow.
The offer is in Obior today. The offer of Ezechime himself is in this town.
Sorry, there are questions I have to ask, but our discussion is changing those questions. I have been waiting to hear you mention one of these names that we have connection with Benin word. But I've not heard you pronounce a single name that has a Benin intonation.
Or
everything you are saying has
link with the ancestry.
Igbo.
Yes.
So, Mama, let me tell you. Let me ask. Ezechime, is it a Benin prince?
Run away as a claim.
As a prince?
Running to settle.
No. Capital no. Story has it that the man is from Arochukwu. A non-native doctor. You know those days, native doctors travel to far away. You know, to wherever they are being called. So the Oba of Benin needed something, and he went far. To sort for who will
perform the solution.
Gave the solution. He couldn't find. There's somebody told him that there's a native doctor in Arochukwu. So he sent for Ezechime to come. So he sent troops to get Ezechime. So Ezechime followed them to Benin. And when the man solved the Oba's problem, he decided to retain him. You understand me? That I think this person is stronger. I need to do some things with him. That was what happened before the war broke up. And they all ran for their dear life.
Okay, the war in Ekokwe or Idu Noba?
I don't know.
Because we have a story about Idu Noba war. Even while I was growing as a child, I do hear it from my parents.
Yes.
So now, Ezechime is not a Benin person.
No, never.
That means the Onitsha, we hear today on Ichubo, this claim that Benin people are claiming that our people are their descendants. What are we going to say to that?
Well, I am a child in this area because I was not born then. But from stories, we have nothing to do with the Benin. That our descendants came from Benin doesn't mean that we are from Benin. We don't speak Benin. We don't have the language of Benin. You understand me?
Yes.
So my name is Onyebuchibei Okonkwo. Nothing like Benin name. My father's name is Okonkwo. My grandfather's name is Amia. So where is Benin name? And we have Benin descendants here. I think when Ezechime died, they sent emissaries from Benin, at least to say we heard what happened. The person they sent loved this place and became old and couldn't go back.
Okay, he decided to settle here.
They will have the quarter here. They call them Umuasibe. We call them Umuasibe. Yes, they have Benin names. You understand me? Because the person they sent is from Benin.
Okay.
Here you have Mokpai. Mokpai. There are a lot of Benin names there, but they are all dead now.
Okay.
You understand me? They have their own offer that they brought from Benin. You understand me? So I think the king should be in a better position to tell that story because I don't know much about it.
Okay, now, Mama.
They settled there. They came from Benin to settle there.
Yeah.
Long time ago. I think their forefathers, something like that.
So they go back to pay homage once in a while. They go back to Benin once in a while.
They don't go back. We speak the same language now.
No, they
have influenced them now.
They have
settled among us.
Just
like in the Olokumi that came
from Yoruba land.
Gave them land. Today now they have children Bundi. So even ọtụtụ ndị na-achị divide anyị sị na ya bụ na ndị Igbo na anyị bụ ndị ka sị na ha bụ ndị ka ndị Ụkwanị sị na ha bụ ndị Ụkwanị but ebe na Anambra enwe ndị Ọka enwe ndị Ihiala enwe ndị Mbaise n'Imo steeti enwe ndị Nsụka but ha niile bụ ndị Igbo dịka anyị nwasị bụ ndị ka nwere ihe ya agwa anyị ka i wee kpetara anyị ekpere.
Ife m na-achọ ikwu bụ na onye ọbụla asị ebe o si o jerebe wee chuchie taa azụ na anyị nwere culture, anyị nwere tradition. Ọnụ niile na-asụ nnụ a ndo anyị niile bụ Igbo. Onye Ika sụọ asụsụ onye Anyọma ga-anụ, onye Anambra sụọ onye Anyọma ga-anụ, onye Ka ga-anụ, onye Ndokwa sụọ onye Imo steeti ga-anụ, onye Ndubuisi ga-anụ. Anyị niile bụ ndị Igbo. Ka anyị alụghị ji politiks wee mebie ife anyị nwe. Anyị niile chịkọta onwe anyị ọnụ, anyị abụrụ ofu mba. Ọ dịla anyị mma. Nke anyị na-achọ ka onye wepụsịa na ọ ga-afịakwa ahụ. O mesie ife me onye nke na-emekwe. Biko ka anyị niile were ofu obi wee bikọta ọnụ. Igbo bụ Igbo. Ka anyị na-eburu ofu. So that we can come back. Ife niile fanala anyị during the time of slave trade. Thank God na fa niile echietebe agụ azụ. Let us find our root. Let us come back to where we started from. We must not divide ourselves. Because if we divide ourselves, they'll be laughing at us. We won't get that we are looking for. Until we come together as a body before we get what we are looking for. Ife na-ekwu bụ bikonu, ọnụ niile na-asụ nnụa na ndo bikonu. Onye ewe n'iwe, ọ bụ na ị na-ewe iwe Okafọ, ya gbagharụ. Nke na-ewe iwe Okonkwo ya gbagharị. Nke na-ewe iwe Okeke ya gbagharụ. Nke na-ewe iwe Mgboye ya gbagharụ. Na anyị niile bụ ofu. Ka anyị were ofu obi wee bi bikonu. Na we deceive go anyị for a very long time. And anyị chọ ka anyị kpokọta onwe anyị ọnụ, ka anyị nọ n'ofu, so that ife dị mma wee bịara anyị aka. Ka anyị nwere afa. Hausa bụ Hausa, Yoruba bụ Hausa. Ebe ọbụla wa si bịa, Yoruba ka fa kpọọ. Ka anyị ma bụzikwa ndị Igbo bikonu ka nna yọ na anyị yọ ka nna yọ. N'enye ekike anyị nụ, ifuru ka si wee ke anyị nwe akwa ọcha, ife kafa na-akwa akwa ọcha. Akwa anyị nwa na-akpa ya akpa. Mbịa ndị be anyị na-eyi akwa ndị Yoruba, na-eyi akwa ndị Hausa. Ifunu n'ogo onye Hausa yiri ụdị akwa, ifunu n'ogo onye Yoruba yi nke. Na anyị nwa na-elu uzu bikonu, ka anyị chịkọta onwe anyị ọnụ, ka anyị mara ife anyị ga-eme bikonu. Anyị yọ ka nna yọ, mụ abụọ mụ Onyebuchibei na-ayọ ụnụ bikonu. Let us come back to our root bikonu. Udo dịrị ụnụ. Eke dịrị ụnụ mma. Oye dịrị ụnụ mma. Afọ dịrị ụnụ mma. Nkwọ dịrị ụnụ mma. Mbọsị niile dị na ụwa anyị na-ayọ Chukwu Olise bi ụwa, biko ya chịkọta anyị ọnụ. Ka anyị nweta oke nke anyị. Na ya ma kelu na oke onye ọzọ, na oke anyị ka anyị ga-eke. Ụnụ bụ ndị na-alụkwa ọrụ a, biko osonogbe ga-agba unu ume. Ụnụ amadịgakwa ụzọ mbọsị agụụ na-aga ụzọ. Ụnụ amabakwa n'ajọ moto. Ụnụ amafụkwa ya kidnapping. Ụnụ ga-adị ndụ. Dị ndụ n'ụtụtụ na efifie na anyasị. Mbọsị oye ụnụ ga-adị ndụ. Mbọsị nkwọ ụnụ ga-adị ndụ. Mbọsị afọ ụnụ ga-adị ndụ. Mbọsị eke ụnụ ga-adị ndụ. Ife amami ụnụ. Kamera ụnụ niile ama kwụsịkwa ịshine. Ụnụ ga-afụ ego na-ego data.
Ogwesi nne anyị adịghị amụ apa.